Dear students, we will continue to understand and answer to the question, what is strategy? So, in the last module, we talked about or we learned three definitions of a strategy. Obviously, they are not the most famous definitions, but they are dominating in the field of a strategy. The point actually I wanted to make is that the more definitions you learn, it might be more confusing for you what is a strategy. Why I am saying this? Because a strategy is a concept, and people have different image of a strategy in their mind. People have different concept of a strategy in their mind. When they are asked to explain what is a strategy, they will offer you different definitions of a strategy. Is there any definition wrong? Or is there any definition which is more acceptable? Perhaps not. We accommodate all concepts because people see things from different perspectives. Perspective means opinion. So let's think about what is a strategy. This is a famous parable. It helps us to understand and accommodate the concepts how people see strategy. In this diagram or in this figure, you see that what is happening. This is a story about 6 or 7 blind people. They have never seen an elephant before in their life, and all were blind. Somebody took them close to the elephant and asked them a question that you can touch something in front of you and explain or define what it is. So the first person who came close to the elephant and on the top he touched the ears of the elephant. When he touched the long floppy ears of the elephant, he exclaimed, "Oh, it's a fan." ये तो एक पंखा है. दूसरा आदमी जो फ्रंट पे खड़ा था एलिफेंट के, when he came close to the elephant, और उसने जो हाथी के जो दांत हैं शार्प स्पीयर्स, जब उसने उसको टच किया तो एंड ही एक्सक्लेम्ड, the first person doesn't know what it is. He is absolutely incorrect. Actually, elephant is like a spear. स्पीयर कहते हैं जैसे जंगली लोगों के पास जो पुराने ज़माने में नेज़े होते थे जो वो थ्रो करते थे, तो व्हेन ही टच दी हाथी के दांतों को उसने जब टच किया तो ही फेल्ट लाइक दीज आर लाइक ए स्पीयर्स, जैसे नेज़े होते हैं. जो तीसरा आदमी जो था वो हाथी की जो नोज है, ही वॉज वेरी क्लोज टू इट, एंड व्हेन ही टच्ड इट, जैसे हम सूंड कहते हैं ये नोज है, तो उसने जब उसको टच किया और उसको हाथ लगाया, ही सेड, व्हाट यू पीपल आर टॉकिंग अबाउट, इट्स नॉट a spear, it's not a fan, impossible. This is a snake, or an elephant is a snake. Similarly, another person who was very close to the legs of the elephant, when he touched the legs of the elephant, he exclaimed, "Oh God, you all are wrong. It's a tree." उसको ऐसे लगा जैसे उसने एक दरख्त को हाथ लगाया है, एक स्टेम ऑफ ए ट्री, तो उसको ऐसा लगा जैसे उसने एक दरख्त पकड़ लिया. And the person, somebody who climbed the stairs, वो जब सीढ़ी पे ऊपर चढ़ा और उसने ट्रंक को, हाथी की जो बॉडी है उसको टच किया, तो उसको ऐसे लगा जैसे हाथी एक दीवार है. He said that, "Oh no, you all are wrong. It's a wall." And the last person or the seventh person, he was at the back of the elephant, और उसने हाथी की जो दुम है, जो टेल है, it came in his hand. उसने कहा, "What you guys are talking about? You don't know what it is. I can't believe in you guys what you are talking about. It is a rope. Simply, it is a rope." This parable can help us to understand and answer the question, what is strategy? Strategy is something like to the people who are blind and they have never seen an elephant. Strategy to them is whatsoever they have seen. A strategy to them is whatsoever they have experienced. Strategy to them whatsoever they have conceived after years of experience, after years of reading. Let me conclude this module by asking you this question: what is a strategy? Thank you.